Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Eastman impact driver with 6-piece bits. The link to buy this product is given in the description, and this product is available in two versions. One is with 4 pieces bits, another one is 6 pieces bits. In this video, you are watching 6-piece bit impact driver. So don't get confused in between that, and I have also provided the link to buy this product in the description box and also pinned in the comment section. Here is the small screen recording on where did I purchased it and what is the actual cost with discount. So you can use this clip as example and to get ease of access to purchase this from Amazon, and it costed me 1061 rupees. Now let's move to unboxing this driver set. Let me open the box and show you why we get discount on online products. First, I'm gonna cut the cover and remove it. Then open the pack and there you go. The box is puffed on the left side. So this is the reason you get products in discounted prices while you purchase on online shopping marts. And also there will be rejected products that are sold in online shopping for discounted prices. Once we open the box, we get one paper with instructions to use and specifications of impact driver. In this product, we get 4 numbers of 36 bits. In those 4 bits, 2 are Phillips number 2 and number 3. They look very small when viewed from mobile camera, but they are actually big in diameter and way heavy than normal bits. And another 2 are flat 8 and 10 bits. Remaining 2 are 80 Phillips number 2 and number 3 bits, and one anvil with 9.5 diameter and one impact driver we will get with this product. This impact driver is very heavy and front part can be removed with some effort. I will also do a video on how to use this tool, and I'm gonna explain the main purpose of this tool and why you need it. Note the point, this is not a promotional video. Take a look at all the bits in my hand together. And it rotates towards both right and left side. We have to set the direction of removing stripped screw so that impact with rotational force gonna help to remove the stripped screws easily. That's all for this video. I'm gonna make a video on how to use it, and I hope you will get back to that video as well. I will upload that video very soon, so we will meet in that video, and have a nice ride and safe ride.